Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to mark an email as unread using the Gmail app on your phone, whether you're using Android or iOS. This is a great way to stay organized, set reminders for yourself, or make sure you never miss an important message. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. The icon is a white envelope with a red M. Tap to launch it. Give Gmail a few seconds to load all your inbox messages. Now, scroll through your inbox and find the specific email you want to mark as unread. Maybe it's something you want to return to later or a message that needs a follow-up. Found the one you need? Don't open the message. Instead, simply long press on the email. Just place your finger on the email and hold it down for a second. You'll see the email become highlighted and a check mark will appear next to it. This means your email is selected. At the top of your screen, look for an icon that looks like a closed envelope. This is the Mark as Unread button. Tap it once. Instantly, your chosen email will appear bolded again in your inbox, just like any other unread message. This makes it super easy to spot and helps you stay on top of your tasks. You can also use this method to select multiple emails at once. Simply tap more emails after your first long press to select several messages and then hit the Mark as Unread icon, the same way. And here's a pro tip. If you want even faster access, you can customize swipe actions in Gmail settings. Set one of your swipe gestures to Mark as Unread, and you'll be able to swipe over emails in your inbox to change their status in a flash. That's all it takes. Marking emails as unread in the Gmail app keeps your inbox under control and helps you stay organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on how to make email management even easier. Thanks for watching, and stay productive.